How to fix power button on your Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix power button on your Android phone, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So it depends upon what you're trying to fix in the first place. Are you talking about your power button isn't responding, or if you just long press on it, instead of actually seeing the restart and power off menu, it just doesn't respond? So instead you have to press volume down and power button. As you can see in my case, which I'm using a Samsung phone, I have to press the volume down button as well as the power button together in order to just enable the power menu. In this case, just pressing the power button will not work. So if I want to change that, what I have to do is I have to just go to settings, and in the search box I just want to search for something similar as power button or side key or anything as such. And as you can see I have side key, so I'll just tap on it option, and you can see side key. So if I double press, then it will quickly launch the camera option. So if I press and hold, then by default it's going to wake up Bixby, which I don't want at all. So what I will do is I'll just select power off menu, and then right over here if I just go ahead and then long press on it, this time it will show me the power off menu in this case. And this is basically it on how you can fix the power button. Now aside from that, if it's not responding or anything, then that is the hardware issue. I want you to just take it to a nearby repair shop. Hope this video helped to solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.